और इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें, कर्नाटक के शिवमोगा जिले में एक डायनामाइट ब्लास्ट में 8 लोगों की जान चली गई। ये घटना हिनासोदू गांव में रेलवे की एक क्रशर साइट पर हुई। धमाका इतना जोरदार था कि आसपास के घरों के शीशे तक टूट गए। धमाके के बाद वहां फैली केमिकल की बदबू की वजह से रेस्क्यू टीम अभी भी घटनास्थल पर नहीं पहुंच पाई है। इस दुर्घटना में मृतकों की संख्या बढ़ने की आशंका भी व्यक्त की जा रही है। तो ये बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें जो शिवमोगा के एक गांव से आ रही है। यहाँ पे डायनामाइट विस्फोट होने से, डायनामाइट धमाका होने से, ये विजुअल्स आप अपने टीवी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं। धमाका इतना तेज था कि जो आसपास के घर थे, ये देखिए उनके घरों की जो छतें थी वहाँ से छतें भी टूट कर गिरी, शीशे भी टूट कर गिरे। इस धमाके की वजह से ये जो मंजर है वो आप अपने टीवी स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं। डायनामाइट विस्फोट की वजह से ये पूरा हादसा हुआ। इसमें 8 लोगों की अब तक मौत हो चुकी है बताया जा रहा है। और अन्य भी अगर बात करें तो गैस लीक जो धमाका था वहां फैली केमिकल की बदबू की वजह से जो रेस्क्यू टीम है उसे भी काफ़ी दिक्कत हो रही है। और इस पर और ज़्यादा जानकारी देने के लिए हमारी सहयोगी श्रीजा इस वक्त हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं। श्रीजा, व्हाट्स द लेटेस्ट अपडेट?
Well, in fact, the district collector B.K. Shiv Prasad, what he tells is that the explosion took place at a railway crusher site, and this has led to nearly 8 lives being lost. In fact, there are several versions at this point also emerging, apart from a blast that had taken place at a railway crusher site. There's also another version which is emerging at this point in time, which talks about where a truck which was carrying gelatin sticks had went off, and because of which we understand nearly 8 lives have been lost. And due to this particular explosion, we understand the tremors were felt not just in one district, which is in Shivamogga district, but also the neighboring districts such as Chikmagalur and Dakshin Kannada districts as well. Right now, the bomb squad is also at the spot, considering the fact, remember, it is slightly a dangerous situation at this point in time. No people can also venture into that particular area. So they're trying to spot if there are more, due to the impact of the explosion, if there are more gelatin scattered, and not to the entire explosion we understand damage as well. The window panes were completely shattered. So clearly, people, especially residents of these 3 districts, Shivamogga and Dakshin Kannada district, they were clueless as to what really happened, because understand that several houses were damaged, and of course they did hear a loud noise. Several of the people also did of course take to the social media saying that it could be earthquake, but you also had geologists confirming, saying that they did not record any tremors in their observation. So clearly now we are getting a clarification saying that it was a blast which is right next to the railway crusher site, but also they are investigating another angle, which we understand as far as the SP of Shivamogga is concerned, where he goes on to tell us that it was a truck that was carrying gelatin sticks that was meant to blast at a... Back to you.
राइट श्रीजा, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इस जानकारी के लिए। तो दर्शकों को बता दें ये बड़ी खबर इस वक्त की जो शिवमोगा से आ रही थी। डायनामाइट धमाके की वजह से 8 लोगों की जान गई और धमाका इतनी तेज था कि जो आसपास के घर थे उनके शीशे भी टूट गए।